Hi everyone, my name is Afia Sultana. This is my introduction video. You won't see any face or video or any part of me as I actually wear a face veil. So for religious reasons, I opted out from showing any kind of pictures or any kind of videos. Anyway, I hope this is still a good introduction video, and I'm excited to meet you all. So, just a little background about me. I was born in a country in Asia, in Bangladesh. Came here when I was at the age of 2. Lived in Queens for a couple of years, but then basically the rest of my life was in the Bronx. Most of it was on the east side of Bronx in New York. My parents are Bengali, so I'm bilingual. I grew up speaking both English and Bengali, and I'm trying to currently learn Arabic because all of our religious texts are in Arabic, and as because I have a strong connection to my religion, I want to be able to learn and read the text in its original language. I am the eldest of 3 siblings and the first in my family to complete or get a master's. So it's kind of a big deal that I'm about to complete this. I was raised in a very close knit community and wanted to help smaller communities that support one another. So I know, like, growing up, I've literally called people like my neighbors, my aunts and uncles. They've always come to help out my parents whenever we had an emergency, any kind of need, whether it was with food or resources or mental, emotional support. I just have a very good sense of community from where I've lived. So this is kind of my way of trying to get to know my community better. I have done community work, but not in terms of public health. So I've actually created an organization where youth girls can come and have a safe space to talk about cultural barriers, mentorships. A lot of them come to America from different countries, don't know the language, and are struggling in school. So I kind of created this mentorship program. It still continues on till today. After I've left, there are people who kind of took on the leadership position. So I'm excited to kind of focus on this community again, but now look at it from a public health perspective. In terms of my education, I did get my bachelor's in biology from City College. Um, After graduation in 2016, I started working as an office assistant at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. So it's a cancer center that is both a hospital and research affiliated. This Right now, I currently work as administrative assistant to the head and neck service for the chief doctor, and currently also at my last semester of my public health career. Hopefully, I graduate after the semester. And I'm also currently pregnant. I'm due on April 3rd. So I have a lot of, I guess, appointments and things going on in my life right now. So I'm just hoping to get through this and excited to complete this course as it is my last semester. Thank you.